Greetings crafters and welcome to episode 79 of Better Than Wolves with T-Kush35. Today we are going on a special adventure. That adventure will involve some setup during the day and then a little different shenanigans at night. I am heading over to the desert that we have encountered in the past through the nether here, in order to hunt down some endermen, because I would very much like to make some ender spectacles, which I recently thought of and remembered / realized that all I need are eyes of ender, or not eyes of ender, just ender pearls and gold, and then we can make some ender spectacles, and that will be extremely useful for determining where exactly I need to place torches for my lighting up the world and increasing the likelihood of going into the mob trap. Speaking of which, I just finished up making 2 levels in there. I also finished putting out fires on my new cocoa bean wall because apparently I placed a torch too close and it lit up, which really sucks because I lost over half of it. But what are you gonna do, right? We'll just have to slowly restock those cocoa beans and hopefully get a decent gig of it. Alright, so here we are at this deserty beach type thing. Of course, it is just the morning time here. But what I want to do is set up some little safety nets, umbrella style, so that I can hide under them. Enderman can't get me, but I can kill the Enderman from within. Okay, this looks nice. Then we'll head over this way and make one. And now I'm not sure if it would be more beneficial to have made this in the plains over by the base, but I think that with Enderman it's nicer to have it in the desert. Or it could just be... Ooh. That's gonna set on fire. I'm not gonna be able to do that. Interesting. Man, these torches setting things on fire really makes doing all of this difficult. So I guess we'll set it here, and that should provide enough light underneath it that it should be okay. Let's see, I do have some cobblestone for slabs. Perfect. Perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna make the next umbrella up this way. And I'd make it out of loose cobble, but that wouldn't work now, would it? No, because it's all loose and stuff, and it'll fall. And then we'll set the light source over here. And I guess this would be a great opportunity to just harvest a bunch more cactus, huh? Oh, did I? So that time I went all the way home. Oh, I didn't bring enough food. That time I went all the way home for cactus, I definitely could have just come here. Whoops. Life goes on though, I guess, right? Alright, so making some small progress here. Just making little spots that I can jump between trying to find Enderman. So not too much else exciting here. I think I'm going to cut and come back at night when I'm actually trying to hunt the Enderman and, you know, fighting other mobs and whatnot, because that'll make for actually interesting footage rather than just wandering around the random desert here. So with that, I will see you in a little bit. Ta-ta! And we're off. A little late to the party, I imagine, but we'll do just fine. So let's go ahead and look around for some mobberitos. In particular, some endermans. Actually not seeing any mobs in the area. Oh, nope, there's some. Okay, good to know. So, let's see. Head on over this way. I think the more I move, the more we'll have a chance of mobs spawning in the vicinity. Yeah, see, there's some zombies. Oop, there's an Enderman. Perfect. First customer. Come here, you joik. Now you gotta come here. Well, that's dumb. No, just go. Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah, come here. Come on. Come on. I know you want to. Yeah, come here. Yeah, come on. Drop your sweet, sweet pearls. Just don't teleport on top, because that would be bad. Where'd he go? He's not dead. The biggest thing is that he doesn't die and teleport, because that's what would suck. Come on. Okay, got him. No drops whatsoever. That is sad. Plenty of zombies around. Not seeing any more Endermen. Should have headed this way and made some more safety zones too. That would have been smart. But I can make some more if I need. Like right up here would be pretty good. The biggest thing is being able to travel a bit. Let's see, how many planks do I actually have? Or slabs? Not a whole lot. Means I'm making this out of the planks. Alright. Just set some light over here. Though I don't know if I actually need the light. The light actually might be a little limiting. Not sure. But we're going to go ahead and head back towards one of the other safe spots. And really, it's only Enderman safe. It's definitely not safe towards anything else. Which is fine. Come on, I want some Endermans. I need me some Endermans. Oh, there's one. Just need to get his attention. When I'm in the safe zone. Ah, come here. Yeah. Yeah. You know you wanna. Come here, buddy. Oops. Oh, he keeps dodging just out of the way. Oh yeah, I made some tasty sandwiches with flour I made before starting the episode. Yeah, come here. Come here. Come on. Come to Poppy. Yes. Okay, got a hit. Another solid hit. Hit him again. Good, good. Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Was that a spider jockey? No, where'd he go? Oh, is he above me? Slightly. Oh yeah! In the pearl! Oh! Now I just need another one. Okay, well, I'm gonna make a break for it over this way. And it's kind of a literal break for it, because we have a whole bunch of mobs coming our way. Oop, 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 oop. Spider's the fastest, okay. What are we doing on armor? Scissors. Alright, we're doing fine, doing fine. Cool. Another spider. We don't need your kind around here. Alright. Made it back this way. So the biggest issues are going to be skeletons, I think. Zombies are easy to deal with, especially with this sort of smite. The skeletons have the range. Range we don't like. Okay, not seeing any new Enderman customers over this way. So I'm going to go ahead and... we're going to run out of nighttime. Very unfortunate. Oh, this bridge is deadly at night. I'm an idiot. Oh, good thing I didn't go too far on it, huh? Okay. Oh, yep. Speak of the skeleton devil. We're just gonna keep going this way. Still not seeing any Endermen, which is most unfortunate. I wonder if it would be a good idea to just make a bunch of paths between these little Enderman safe zones. Might be. Nuts. Yep. Looks like that's gonna be it for this cycle. I consider myself fortunate that I got one Ender Eye at all. It's getting to be just light enough. They should start burning pretty soon here, and then it'll be a little safer to wander around. Let's go ahead and come back if I have anything interesting happen, or in the next evening. See you in a bit. I suppose something of note might be the making of my first chocolate. I found some cocoa powder that was in one of my chests, and then I went and milked some cows, so now we have some chocolate. It's not a whole lot of it. It's not going to get me very far with the pigs, but it will let me breed them. And after losing all but 2, that's a pretty good thing to have going. So let's go and feed them. Make sure that it still works. So yeah, 2 piggies in there. Sweet. And then I'll have some more chocolate to breed them again, and then I would have 4 piggies. How are we doing on food for the dogs? We're doing okay, but I am going to reach a point of difficulty where I'm going to have to decide between feeding the dogs and feeding myself. But that time won't come for a while yet, luckily. Either way, I will catch you at the evenfall. So while waiting for the next round to go ahead, went and made some chicken feed, and this will let us have some more chickens. I don't remember how many, if any, that I've had go through. Well, it looks like a couple. So this will be a nice way of getting meat eventually. In the meantime, just a bunch of raw eggs and whatnot. Oh, that was an Enderman. Oh shoot, it must be nighttime already. Well, I'll have to head back up there. Ooh, it's raining though, so that's not gonna matter. What is it? So I can't even tell what time of day it is. But I guess if that... Oh, it's becoming... Must have missed the night cycle. Whoops. Alright, well, I will be back when it is nighttime, and I'll be over at the desert. See you there. Of course, storms make for interesting times, because it is enough to spawn mobs, I think. Perhaps not Enderman. But, yeah, came over here and there's definitely some mobs around. In between little clips here, I was working on a path in the desert so that I could run between bases a little easier. I might have to think about completely blocking it off so that I can safely do that, because skeletons are definitely a concern here. As they usually are, since they are so dastardly. I suppose spiders kind of are too. As we can see here, they like to leave little presents around. And since I'm not really hurting for string, I don't really like them anymore. Oh, where did I just... Okay, here we go. So there's a creeper that way. Let's go ahead and continue this path this way. Alright, well, there are mobs around, but I will be back when we're actually doing some more Enderman hunting. See you then. And as you can see here, we have what can be described nothing more or less than a division of biomes. You can see the desert here, where there is no rain, and then right here, there is lots of rain. So we are clearly in the ocean. And this is beach. Thank you. Okay, another night, another hunting session. Let's get this party started. I spent the rest of the daylight when it finally stopped raining, collecting sandstone from part of that over there. I have chiseled sandstone. I have no idea how I'm supposed to make that. Oh, there's smooth sandstone. Okay. I don't know how you make chiseled sandstone. Is it... I just make smooth. Smooth makes smooth. Weird. I'll have to figure it out someday. Either way. That way I can make more pathways because I ran out of cobble. And it'll be using the resources that I have. And that seems like a good idea. Okay, zombies I can handle. Zombies are fine. But it's really the Enderman that I want. Or zombies with shovels. That would be acceptable. Hey. Because zombies with shovels mean iron. And we like iron. We like iron a lot. Alright. Missed. Just gotta hit this skeleton. Oop. Nope. If I had regular arrows, that'd be a lot faster, but I don't have the chicken stuff yet. Hi. Got him. Sweet. But of course this uses up rotten arrows really quickly. And because of the lack of mob tower, don't have a good access to that quite yet. Really need to make it so I can get over there quickly and easily. Because I think that would help the Enderman search. Just want to get that skeleton. Ow! They are so bloody accurate. It is ridiculous. They are almost more accurate than ghasts. And so are worse in a way. Alright, so don't need to worry about this little fella. Do you have any buddies of the Enderman variety? I know creepers and Endermen are totally... Oh gosh. I swear that I had properly selected the shears. Must not have been in range. Well, that's alright. Let's fill it in. Luckily there's no mobs coming at me quite yet. Though in some ways I really wish there... Ooh, 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 oh, 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 oh. Yeah, come here, come here, come here. Oh, yes, so many of them. Yes, come here. Come on, I just want your pearls. I want your sweet, sweet pearls. Please drop them near me. Yes, I have two. I can make the goggles. Yeah. Awesome. That's so cool. So that wasn't half bad. That was what, 2 or 3 nights. Not bad either way. Not bad at all. So now the challenge is to get out of here without taking too much damage or dying. So let's go ahead and make a path here. You know, I'm using up all this sandstone, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't fall. So it's kind of silly of me to do this. Wait. Ow. Would you leave me alone? Just kill this guy from afar. One more? Now one more. What the heck, man? Some tough skeletons. Alright. Let's get out of here. Go make those goggles. Then we'll treat them like they are gold, which they will be partially made of, but in some ways they are more precious than gold, because I can mine more gold. I cannot easily get ender eyes, or ender pearls. Ender eyes aren't until I can trade. Alright. Let's go back in. Whee! Sweet, I am so excited. This will be fantastic. I will see you back at the base. Okay, and here we are for the epic conclusion. Not really, I don't think it's that epic. But either way, we're gonna get these bad boys. Make some ocular ender with a strap, and ooh, look at the ender spectacles. It's everything so green. It's so green. But that's amazing. I'll be able to use these at night and figure out where the things are spawning, and it's awesome. But that'll do it. This is super exciting. Thanks for watching.